Digivation Network.
Hello and welcome to Digivation Network, your most authentic, reliable, and Africa's leading digital news platform on television. And I am Bayero Agabi. Don't forget to be part of this show. You can join us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Digivation Network, and other social platforms on your screen.
This is Digivation Network.
In this special edition, you will learn the facts and worries about cryptocurrencies and its ban in Nigeria, plus artificial intelligence, what it means to your job of today and tomorrow, not forgetting our top 5 issues of the week.
Hello, I am Adaze Okeaine, Digivision Radar.
I am Gideon Tobiloba, Sports Tech and the Top 5s.
And I am Princely Momodu, for news and views in the entertainment world.
Every week we serve you with news, views and information as they relate to business, technology and innovation.
That's not all. It includes events, trends, reviews and policy framework to drive the unfolding digital space.
Join us on our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/Digivation Network for all these and much more.
Don't fail to subscribe. There's plenty to win and lots of benefits to derive. www.youtube.com/Digivision Network. Digivision Network, your leading platform for business, technology, and innovation news. Subscribe and join us.
First, we take you on the cryptocurrency and its ban in Nigeria. Recently, the Nigeria Central Bank put a ban on cryptocurrency transactions in Nigeria. Cryptocurrency, as you may know, has become a global phenomenon in recent years. Although much is still to be learned about this evolving blockchain-powered technology, there are many concerns and worries, swirling around the technology and its capacity to disrupt technological or traditional financial system. For more on these worries and benefits and why the ban in Nigeria in the first place, join Adaze Okeaine for this detailed report.
Shockwaves and ripples across the country a few days ago with the ban of cryptocurrency transactions by the Central Bank of Nigeria. The notice specified a ban to banks and other financial stakeholders. The Central Bank of Nigeria asked banks and other financial institutions to identify and close the accounts of anyone involved in cryptocurrency transactions. Cryptocurrency has become hugely popular in Nigeria in the past few years, with many opting to invest their money due to the failure of the Apex Bank to stabilize the naira and its rigid rules around the forex exchange. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital cash system that leverages in blockchain technology. Bitcoin is the first and most famous cryptocurrency and is a global means of payment. This famous peer-to-peer digital currency was invented in late 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto, whose real identity remains a mystery to date. The legality of this digital currency depends on the activity and location of the user.
Cryptocurrencies are digital monies. We started with one of the first being Bitcoin. So this digital money, they have value. You can move them from one place to the from one wallet to the other, okay. But you can't print it out like the fiat currency, and you can't touch physically. So these digital currencies are created to solve a particular problem, either in an ecosystem or in the world, okay. Especially how people move money, how people move money around.
Okay, I could simply define cryptocurrency to be a digital currency. Crypto means secured, and currency, as we know, simply means a means of exchange. So when we say cryptocurrency, we mean a secured means of exchange. But in this case, it is digital, meaning it is not something you can handle. Unlike our conventional currencies like the fiat, like the naira, the dollar, they are physical, you can handle them, they are called fiat currencies. But for cryptocurrencies, they are digital, they are virtual, you can handle them, you can only use them and transact with them online.
The Apex Bank insists the ban is in the interest of the public, as scammers have been using cryptocurrency for money laundering and terrorism. The notice has triggered public outcry, with many Nigerians critiquing the Apex Bank that it issued a cryptocurrency ban without wide consultations.
Our government today is giving ludicrous reasons for, banning or curtailing or placing restrictions. They are comparing countries and we are not moving forward.
The ban has stirred interest in cryptocurrency, and what is cryptocurrency is currently Nigeria's #1 Google search topic. We speak with financial analysts and stakeholders on cryptocurrency and the effects of this ban.
Even for me, as a person, I was actually working on a project that could help the government and also the general public in merge the crypto system and the fiat system, so that the government can easily track the cryptocurrency transactions and also be able to manage.
We have a kind of mixed feelings about the announcement. I heard that a lot of Nigerians are trading on cryptocurrency, especially the Bitcoin. I'm aware that people across the divide, politicians, businessmen, bankers, students, everybody, they are there. There's no way this kind of ban will not create a kind of uproar in the country, in the sense that so many of our youth are unemployed, okay, and many of other, the so-called Yahoo boys, they also do a lot of cryptocurrency. So they see it as a means of livelihood.
What I felt the government should have done was understand how the cryptocurrency market works, see the reason why the remittance of dollars to Nigeria, the remittance of dollars or other highly valued currencies to Nigeria dropped by 97% in 2020. They should have studied all that and see how they can bring the stakeholders in the blockchain space together and say, okay, this thing is here to stay. How do you guys want us to do this? What do you want the government to do, and how can we be able to tax this?
The issue of regulations is a key lingering matter for many countries. There is a ban on cryptocurrency in countries like China, Russia, Vietnam, Colombia, and Iran, while the United States of America, the United Kingdom, and Germany have taken a generally positive stance towards cryptocurrency. In Finland, Belgium, and the European Union, Bitcoin has a VAT-exempt status. It is important to note that in Nigeria, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) had warned investors about trading in virtual currency in 2017. But in a complete turnaround, it went on to recognize the validity of cryptocurrency as investments in September 2020. In December 2020, Nigeria became the #2 Bitcoin peer-to-peer market after the United States of America, with more than $566 million worth of Bitcoin traded between 2015 and 2020. The way forward will be for investors to move their monies from bank and financial institutions in Nigeria and explore the possibilities of other markets. Hello, I am Adaze Okeaine, Digivation Radar.
I am Gideon Tobiloba, Sports Tech and the Top 5s.
And I am Princely Momodu. For news and views in the entertainment world,
Every week we serve you with news, views, and information as they relate to business, technology, and innovation.
That's not all. It includes events, trends, reviews, and policy framework to drive the unfolding digital space.
Join us on our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/Digivation Network for all these and much more.
Don't fail to subscribe. There's plenty to win and lots of benefits to derive. www.youtube.com/Digivision Network. Digivision Network, your leading platform for business, technology, and innovation news. Subscribe and join us.
If you just join us, I am Bayero Agabi, and as always, delighted to have you here. The program is Digivation Network. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and win goodies for yourself.
This is Digivation Network.
And now to artificial intelligence and its impacts on our lives. Due to the fast pace of development in AI, otherwise called artificial intelligence, today it is equally exciting and intimidating to find out that lies ahead. From being a theory, AI evolved into a research, then into experimentation, and today we can witness how machine language or machine learning affected the wide range of working process.
AI, or artificial intelligence, is impacting the future of virtually every industry and every human being. Artificial intelligence is acted as the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, Internet of Things, and it will continue to act as a technological innovator for the foreseeable future. Hello and welcome. I am Adaze Ine. Artificial intelligence is already automating manual and repetitive tasks. Soon, it will augment human decisions. Along the way, it will add more to the global GDP by 2030 than the current output of China and India combined. That growth will be more than enough to create many jobs, while it will also change how current jobs are being done. With this disruptive and challenging future already forced on us by technology innovations, one can only but adapt or die.
I've been a big fan of Kurzweil for many years. In fact, when I read The Age of Spiritual Machines, he published that in 1999. I think I read it in 01-ish or so, and it was a big influence on me, on my thinking. And ever since, I've tried to incorporate an understanding of AI into my general understanding of the world. Singularity, I think, will happen. I think the argument for it is very strong indeed. So we're going to look at a future in which, in important ways, computing intelligence will truly exceed our own, not just in chess and not just in air traffic control, but in actual thinking, cognition, and so on. I think that will happen, where computer algorithms will be able to make their own decisions and truly have some sort of consciousness. However we understand that consciousness can't be the same. I mean, is a dolphin conscious? Sure it is. Is it like our own? No, there's differences. So would advanced computer intelligence have our type of consciousness? Clearly not. It'll have a different kind of consciousness, but I think we're going to see a point.
5G, or fifth generation network, will accelerate the usage and dominance of artificial intelligence. It will enhance the dependability on data as a resource the world needs most. In fact, experts have predicted the decline of all dominance and the upscale of digital businesses and skills. Within this next decade, new industries will emerge and new skills will be most in need. For example, Amazon has already revolutionized the retail business with the recent launch of Amazon Go, where human interference is needed very little. Self-driving cars are already being launched by Mercedes and others. Another area AI is taking shape is medicine. It helps with diagnosis in minutes better and faster than humans. In fact, it's been said that with AI, Parkinson's disease can be detected very early before it manifests. Even in law practice and security, artificial intelligence is taking the lead.
5G, it is capable of connecting, our equipment and our machines together. For example, we are talking of the IoT, Internet of Things. Everything is there. You want to control your home from wherever you are. You want to use the internet to control the movement of your vehicles even. Your car could be in NCC now, and you say, I'm here in DBI, there's no parking space. Okay, drop me here and go back and park at NCC. When you are finished, you call the car to come here. Nobody will drive it. So these are certain things that the 5G will take.
One of the major fears is privacy, leaving out privacy in the name of development. For this, many followers of technology development are asking for strict regulation as the technology grows.
This one is even going to enhance those mobile broadband services. Okay, in terms of what? In terms of capacity, meaning volume. Okay, many people can be able to, be aggregated into the same channel without any loss in the integrity.
The question is, in all of this, where is the role of Africa? How will Africa benefit? And how will Africa be a force in the unfolding data-driven age? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most exciting technologies today, and Africa doesn't want to be left behind. Majority of the AI industry in North America, Europe, and Asia are making serious efforts to train computer scientists from African nations, as AI can be used to solve complex challenges on the continent. In a bid to improve diversity, tech giants are also providing investments to develop new talents. For instance, in April 2019, Google opened its first African AI research center in Ghana. The AI laboratory based in Accra will be used to develop solutions to help improve healthcare, agriculture, and education. On this, Nigeria, Africa's biggest economy, is also not left out.
For you to embrace the technology, you need to understand it and know how to use it. So as an agency, we conceptualized and executed an initiative on virtual learning environment, Digital NIDA Academy. As we speak now, we have more than 23,000 Nigerians learning on this platform virtually. They are learning on new emerging technologies. They are learning on how to program and do a lot of things in the innovation ecosystem. And also, it keeps our people engaged.
For clarity, AI, as is popularly referred to, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with the human mind, such as learning and finding solutions to problems.
This is Digivation Network.
If you enjoyed that report, join us on our YouTube platform, that is youtube.com/Digivation Network. Just before we leave you, let us join Gideon Tobilola, that is for the top 5 issues that made headlines this week.
So today, I give you my top 5 financial technology companies in Nigeria. Also note that the 5 that made this list are just few of the numerous fintech companies in Nigeria that are equally doing wonderfully well. But these are my top 5 fintech startups in Nigeria. Number 5, Flutterwave. Flutterwave provides a payment service for global merchants and payment service providers. It provides technology, infrastructure, and services to enable global merchants, payments service providers, and helps banks and businesses build secure and seamless payment solutions for their customers by smoothing the exchange of funds. The company was founded in 2016 by Andela co-founder Aboyeji and Olubenga Agbola, and is headquarters in San Francisco, California. From Flutterwave, I go to Pega, which stands at number 4. Pega's mission is to make it simple for people to access and use money by providing smooth and stress-free money transfer experience. Pega is a leading payment and mobile money business. Pega was founded in 2009 by Jay Alabraba and Taiwo Oviosu. Presently, you can pay bills, make bank deposits, and even pay in certain stores with it. Pegatech launched in Nigeria to profit from the buildup of cash money in the financial industry and to execute financial services for all residents in Africa. Then off we go to number 3, and it's Paystack that stands there. Paystack FinTech Payment Solution is arguably one of the leading and ever-growing fintech company in Nigeria. No doubt. You can receive payment via voices and creating payment pages while utilizing Paystack Online Payments Gateway. Paystack is a payment platform that makes the online payment process consistent for both the customers and the businesses they are attempting to pay. Now to my number 2 is eTransact. eTransact, launched in 2003, is a multi-application, multi-network, and multi-channel electronic payment platform that supports every significant network, including Amex, Visa, and MasterCard. eTransact is one of the fintech companies in Nigeria designed as a credible option in contrast to all transactions which are right now cash or check-based. The platform capacity is with the end goal that any arrangement driven by customer payment can be automated on the platform. It transacts as a switch process payment request from various channels. First of the pack is InterSwitch. InterSwitch is an Africa-centered integrated digital payments and commerce company headquartered in Lagos. InterSwitch was founded in 2002 by Michel Elegbe. InterSwitch uses a switching infrastructure to connect the different banks in Nigeria and provides technology for ATM cards. InterSwitch encourages the electronic circulation of money, just as exchange of value among individuals and associations on a convenient and steady basis. The vision is to fabricate and manage payment infrastructure just as convey inventive payment products. Join me next time for another episode of the Top 5s. Until then, I will be Gideon Tobilaba. Bye.
This is Digivation Network.
Hello everyone, my name is Gideon Tobilaba. I'm a broadcast analyst and a blogger. Keep watching Digivation Network on AIT every Thursday by 5 p.m. Don't touch the dial.
That is the show for the week. If you have any comment or suggestions, please send them to bayeragabi@yahoo.com, or better still, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is youtube.com/Digivation Network. Until then, I remain yours sincerely, Bayero Agabi. Peace.